it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing a travel product that I came across a couple of months ago at the New York Times travel show, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So the product is called the Travel Mat by Thermalay, and before I get into all the details, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So I meant to do this video back in January, but life got in the way and then this crazy pandemic happened, so here we are. But I initially got introduced to this product back in January at the New York Times travel show, and if you guys don't know what that is, I do have a video talking about my experience and showing you what goes on there and all that. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll have that linked down below. So while I was walking around the New York Times travel show, I was in the travel products section and I came across this fun, amazing, energetic father and son duo that was showcasing this particular product, and I was so intrigued because I've never seen anything like it before and anything on the market. So I was like, this is really cool. The Travel Mat by Thermalay is a mat that can be used in different settings while traveling. It's basically a 3-in-1 product because it's a seat cushion, a back cushion, and a neck pillow. So this is what it looks like. It comes like this. It's very compact. I'm gonna insert a clip right now from the travel show when the son was demonstrating the product on my mom. He was so adorable and he was an excellent salesperson, if I do say so myself. So the travel mat has 2 inches of foam with a breathable bamboo covering, which is also machine washable, and it comes in different designs as well. The travel mat was intended for the in-flight experience. For instance, if you were in economy or on a budget airline, we all know that those seats are not comfortable at all. So adding the travel mat just gives you that extra cushion and making your flight experience a little bit more bearable. But post-pandemic, I feel like this travel mat will be so helpful as a protective layer because, as we know, planes are not the cleanest spaces, and post-pandemic we really don't know the protocols that are going to be in place with each airline. Like, they can say that they're going to be deep cleaning the aircraft before and after every flight, but like, do we really know that they're doing that? And I feel like this travel product is great because you'll have peace of mind knowing that you have a protective layer between yourself and the seats, and it's machine washable, so you can wash it before and after your flight and have that protective layer. So as we know, the travel industry got hit really hard during this pandemic, and as things slowly start to reopen and allowing travel to happen again, I feel like people are reconsidering a lot of things. So I'm saying all of this because I feel like this travel product in particular is not only good for comfort reasons but also a protective layer, and this is why. So I've been hearing that domestic travel is going to be more favorable than international travel, especially in this upcoming summer. I feel like more people are just going to explore surrounding areas or just within their own country. So I feel like road trips are definitely going to go up during summer and more people are going to be doing it. Road trips are fun and everything, but what's not so fun is being in a car and being uncomfortable in your seat. So it all depends on what kind of car you're going to be using and how many people are joining you on this road trip. But I feel like the travel mat will definitely make it more comfy if you're using it vertically or horizontally. I feel like it's a great product to have even on road trips. Also, if you're worried about germs and bacteria and if you're renting a car, the travel mat is a great product to have as a protective layer as well when you are doing road trips in a car that's not yours. So if you're a nature lover and love the outdoors and going camping, I feel like the travel mat is also a great product to bring with you because it gives you that extra cushion when you're camping out. Also, if you enjoy traveling by train, this is a great product to bring with you. Again, that protective layer between you and the seat. I feel like more people might be doing train travel as well. This is just a great product to bring along your adventure. As travel picks up again and gets back to some sort of normalcy, I feel like this travel product is also great for backpackers because I know not all hostels are the same, but some hostels, the beds are not the best and they're not comfy as to what you're used to. So adding the travel mat just gives you that protective layer again, but also gives you that extra cushion, and with the neck pillow makes your sleep a little bit better. As you can see, you can use the Travel Mat by Thermalay in a variety of ways. Not only do I think this is an amazing product, but I really wanted to support and share an amazing small business with you guys, and I feel like post-pandemic this is a great travel product to include in your packing essentials. So if you're interested in checking out the Travel Mat by Thermalay, I'll have all the links in the description box down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Ciao!